Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add face cam from your laptop to your OBS and then remove background from it. To start with, you need to go to this web page and download the background removal plugin for your OBS. I will share the link of this plugin in the description of the video, so please do check it out. So once you click on the go to download, you will open this page, and I have a Mac, so I installed the Mac package over here. After installing the Mac package, you go to OBS and you click on add video capture device, name it as something like facecam, and then select your FaceTime HD camera provided your laptop had one. So once you click OK on it, you will be able to see the facecam into the OBS. You can adjust the size of it as you want. Usually keep it in the bottom left corner, but you can place it in wherever you want. And once you have added that, you go to filters for this and click on add. Once you do add, you will see an option to background removal. As soon as you click OK on it, you will see that the background has been removed from the video. Now you can also blur the background with this setting, where you actually do slide it all the way to the 20 depending on how much you want. For some reason, if you want to blur your background out instead of blackening it out. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. This is a very quick way to show you how you can add a webcam and then remove its background. And if you like the video, please do like it and subscribe to my channel for future such tips. Thank you.